Alright, hey y'all. So I didn't do an intro for the video, so here's the intro. You guys will be able to see me create those nails that you just saw pretty much midway to finish. So I hope you guys enjoy. Comment any questions below and I'll answer them. And here you guys will just see me applying the acrylic to the nail. I'm using the color Mia Secret and medium ivory. I'm sorry, not Mia Secret, Glam and Glitz in medium ivory. I'll insert a photo here. And I'm just placing this acrylic on the nail. I'm doing like a 3 bead or a 2 bead method. It really just depends. Nothing too spectacular. You just want to get a nice like nude color, lighter than the skin tone, or really your client's preference, but I like to do one that's lighter than the skin tone. And yeah, so this is just my acrylic application, and I'm gonna speed through the rest of this. If you guys want a more in-depth video on how I apply my acrylic and everything, then you can just leave me a comment below, or give me a thumbs up, so then that way I know that you want that. Alright guys, so here I am going in with an acrylic paint, actually by the brand Craftsmart in the shade Golden Brown. I'll insert a picture of it for you here. And I'm just doing my smile lines. A hack for this is honestly just go from sidewall to sidewall and start making an X. Or you can kind of like curve it into a U. It's really what you're more comfortable with. On the first hand, I did the X and then I just kind of rounded out that V that the X created. But right here, I kind of did more of like a U shape. And first I focused on getting my smile line down, and then after that I went in and filled it in. And as you'll see here, I'm just going in and I'm swiping down all the rest of the color from this smile line because it was on there a little thick. But on the other fingers, I'm going to go in and get more of like a glob of that golden brown color so that I can like slather on there thick and then just kind of like remove the excess, just because I'm using a really small brush and I didn't want to create any streaks. So after I finish this thumb, you guys will see what I'm talking about. Alrighty, so like I said again, I'm just kind of grabbing it a little bit thick and just like slathering it across and just making sure that it's like all even. And I mean, I wasn't really too worried about perfecting my smile line at this point. I just really wanted it to look nice. And don't stress yourself out about trying to make sure that both pinkies are like exactly symmetrical. Just do it so where like it looks really nice. You know, my problem at first was just trying to make it way too perfect, and I ended up messing up. So just really do your best. If it looks that bad, then take it off. But if it's not that bad, then you know, don't worry about it. This is my first time doing French ever. So don't stress yourself out about it. Just keep practicing and keep working towards it. And the more you do it, the more you'll get better at it. The second color I used, well, the last two colors I used were brown and espresso, and I mixed those two together to get the cheetah print design, and here they are. And here I am doing the cheetah design or the leopard, whatever animal it is, honestly. Um, and really all I was doing was just placing little dots and then kind of like shaking my hand and doing like half moon, um, just doing a half moon or like a wide N, if you will, and just really shaking my hand when I was doing it. Not really too much thought, just kind of shake your hand when you do it and pretty much just watch what I'm doing and try to mimic what I'm doing. I'm sorry I'm out the frame a little bit, but I'll keep this all in regular speed or real speed so that you guys can see what I'm doing. And you don't have to mix together the two brown colors. You can even do this with black, but I personally just wanted to keep like the nudes and the browns, so that's why I did that. But yeah, sorry about not being in the frame again. It'll I'll be in the frame in a second. You guys will be able to like get a proper view of everything. And then here's the design up close so you guys can see, and it just looks so cute with the brown and the tan. And then like I said, I'm just going and I'm gonna be using this matte top coat that I got from Amazon. It's called Beetles. And when I top coated this, like I said, I was scared, so I just kind of did like a thicker glob and like glided it down. So here are what the nails look like. So cute, so classy. I love the shape, the design, everything. She ended up wanting to get her nails shiny, so here they are, shiny. Shiny or matte, they both look good. I'm in love either way. And yeah, thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Lux Nails to see more content and more photos of these bomb nails. Bye.